Hi, my name is John. This is my 93 Foxbody Chevy Stub. Welcome to Tall Garage.
So we're here today with John, my good friend John, and his very purple Foxbody Mustang. A company reached out to me the other day and asked if I could use any parts from their catalog. And I didn't quite see anything that I needed, but my buddy here had just mentioned to me that his fuel cell leaked and he was looking to get another one. So I hopped into action and messaged back the company, who graciously gave me a fuel cell to use in one of my videos. So big shout out to GSTP Auto Parts for hooking us up with this fuel cell and sponsoring this video. We're gonna hear from John about the history of the car while we cut out the old spare tire rack and get this thing installed. What do you think?
Yeah.
Should do the trick?
Oh, yeah. You got sending in there.
I'm sure you'll have to fuck around with something, but at least it fits, huh?
It's clean. Oh yeah, dude, I'm always.
You know what they say, man. If your shop ain't dirty, you're not doing anything.
It's a 93 Mustang. I got a 96 Vortec 355 in it, aluminum heads, roller rockers, roller cam, turbo 350 transmission with a 2500 stall, full MSD ignition, poly blue pump.
How long you had the car, John?
I've had the car since 2001.
2001. When did you start?
2006 is when I swapped it over to Chevy.
Yeah. How long you been? So it's been a project since 2006.
Yeah, I've had it on the road a couple of times, but just a little bit.
Right.
It's been a work in progress. Life gets in the way a little bit.
So is it gonna be a street car? Or is it gonna be?
It's going to be a street car, but I'm going to take it to the
You're
track.
gonna take it to the track. Cool.
Try it out.
So not an LS, small block Chevy,
Yeah, Vortec.
and that's just because it's in there and it's been there a long time.
Yeah,
That's
it's
fair.
because I got the motor. It was already built.
Right. That's fair. So the plan is just to get it finished, romp around in it, enjoy it.
Yep.
Very cool. Very cool.
I can't even see what the spot welds are to fucking...
Well, that one, you get that one off on that side,
Almost,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so John was kind of in the zone, right? So I didn't get a whole lot of back and forth talking on the install process. But fuel cells, you know, they go in pretty simple. This particular car, he built this back in the early 2000s, right? And his words were, you shaved everything. So this car has shaved door handles, it has a shaved gas cap. And he regrets all that now, which is why we're putting the fuel cell in, because he just keep the stock tank in it if he still had the flap. I told him we should just put it up behind get a fold down license plate holder and put it behind the license plate. I thought that'd be pretty cool. We could put a stock tank back in it and work something else. But he liked this fuel cell enough that he was going to make it work. So on to that point, he had to do a little CAD, cardboard aided design.
Cut that out so either in the open too. Twist it
Mm,
down in there, or
well,
just cut out here in the floor. It's either going to be under it.
Yeah, if they're under it and you put some like 90s, they should point down. You should be able to clear. You'll have to like kind of check, you
What
know.
if it doesn't fucking go flush either though, maybe?
It should go flush, but yeah, like
I'm
it.
gonna cut it.
Yeah, I told this company I had the video done already, so I was like, yeah, I better go over there.
Car, you're doing all this stuff to make it lightweight, but then you're adding all this extra weight to fucking
Make it now bend on you,
yeah,
twist.
it'll fucking fall apart. All right, let's fuck this up.
Careful there, bud.
Probably should have drill them bigger, I guess. I'm gonna have to.
All right. All right, John. So about how long did that take us to install this?
It only took about a half hour with cutting the hole, fitting it in there, and drilling the holes and bolting it in.
Quality seems good, right?
Quality seems real good on it. Easy to install. Just need to get the hoses now and button it up to the fuel pump.
Yeah, that's all that's left to do is plumb it up, right?
Just set the hoses up, yep, and then the wire the sending unit that's in it to the gauge.
You think you'd recommend this product to other people?
Yeah, I probably would.
All right, all right. All right, well, thanks, John. Nice car, buddy.
Yeah, thanks.